Everyone's talking about a DJI ban in the US. Some people say your drone will stop working. Others say you won't be able to buy DJI anymore. And I know it's confusing because you hear completely different things depending on who you watch. So today I'm going to give you the real story of what's going on. And later in this video, I'll show you what this ban actually means for you if you already own a DJI drone or are planning to get one soon. Also, we've got the DJI Pocket 4 and the Avatar 360 expected to drop soon, probably before Christmas. Will those be the last new DJI products you can actually get here in the US? So let's break down exactly what's happening. The ban is supposed to start on December 23rd, 2025. If the US doesn't complete a security audit of DJI by that date, then DJI won't be allowed to release any brand new products in the US going forward. Now, the funny thing is that DJI has tried multiple times to get this audit done by US agencies, but they never went through with it.
It's a fair question. The short answer is that this isn't about DJI doing something wrong. It's about much broader geopolitical tensions around technology and trade, and DJI has been caught in the middle of that. Because we're the global market leader in drones and headquartered in China, we face growing political scrutiny in the US. One result of that was a law passed last December, the Financial Year 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, which requires a security audit of DJI and one of our competitors to be completed by 23rd December this year. That deadline is now just weeks away. We've asked for that audit all year, and we fully welcome a fair, transparent review. But the law never assigned any US agency to actually conduct the audit, and no one has stepped forward. So if no audit happens, DJI will be automatically added to the FCC's covered list, which would effectively ban new DJI products in the US despite us having done nothing wrong. That's why your voice matters more than ever. Take action using the link below. And if you've already done that, ask 3 friends who use DJI products to make their voices heard too.
However, this doesn't mean DJI is banned from existing in the US. It simply means no more new releases unless something changes. And that's where the real trouble starts. Not instantly, but gradually, because as new stock disappears, official DJI products will get harder and harder to find in the US parts and accessories too, especially batteries, which every pilot eventually needs. Repairs could take longer because fewer replacement components enter the country. And because supply goes down but demand stays high, prices will go up. So if you already own a DJI drone, you'll still be allowed to fly it, but you might struggle to keep it flying in the long run. Before we go deeper, quick question for you. Would you consider switching brands if DJI couldn't release new drones anymore? Drop a comment below. I'm really curious to hear your take. So basically, if this ban takes place, and there's a high chance for that since there's not much time left, what you own may become more valuable, but maintaining it becomes more expensive and less convenient. And upgrading later might not be an option. This especially affects professionals, real estate pilots, filmmakers, first responders, people who depend on reliable equipment. If that's you, the smart move is to prepare now. It may be worth upgrading your DJI gear and perhaps grab extra batteries and spare accessories. I would even consider getting a second backup drone or extra cameras if your work depends on it. Plus, I've seen amazing deals now on Amazon on DJI products. I'll leave some links in the description so you can check the current price. I assume that if DJI can't sell new products in the US anymore, gray market imports will be the only way to get new gear. You'll probably still find imported products online, but warranty might not apply, support might not work the same, and repairs might be much harder. So it won't be impossible, but it definitely won't be fun. This situation is causing a lot of confusion, but we don't need to overreact. DJI is still the leader in consumer drones, and the US is a huge part of their business. So they are not just going to walk away quietly. I believe negotiations will happen, or new workarounds will appear, or new companies will show up with DJI level tech. Actually, I've already seen similar products pop up, like that new camera that looks almost identical to the Pocket 3 from this brand called Extra. More of those will come, trust me. And what about FPV drones, transceivers, etc.? Because a lot of FPV manufacturers already include DJI cameras and video systems inside their drones. So even if DJI can't sell their products directly, those products might still enter the US as they are sold under a different brand. So again, keep calm and stay updated. I'll keep following this super closely. And every time something changes, I'll update you here on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Now, if you want to see the new DJI products that are coming before the deadline, check out these videos right here.